gonna jump at this bed right here. My family's bed right there. That's the bed. And this is the fan. Yan. So let's jump! 1, 2, 3. Aray ko. Parang nauntog ko yung ulo ko ah. Aray ko. Ulo ko. Like and subscribe if you're Filipino. And comment if you're English. My hair is so messy. 1, 2, 3. Help! Aray ko! Ang sakit nun! Ang sakit nun! Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go! Again! 1, 2, 3. Let's jump! If I get 10K likes, I'm gonna jump in this bed in front of my dad. I mean my mom. Yeah, I'm gonna jump on this bed. If I get 10K likes, I'm gonna jump on this bed in front of my mom. That's so scary. She's gonna yell at me, bro. 1, 2, 3, let's go! Ooh. Aray ko! Okay, jump ulit! Nandiyan na yung ate ko. Let us say hi to the video.
Hi.
My hair! Why is my hair like that? Okay, let's jump. Okay, let's just go outside. I forgot about this. Oh my God!
Basta sabihin niyo po 100.
Basta sabihin na lang, walang number pa mo dito.
At saka 122. Pwede ba kumuha?
Bye-bye, nanay!
Pwede ba kumuha?
Okay, I made it.
Hindi, isa lang.
Oh my God!
Diyas, tsaka yung pili ka rin na. Ay, diyas, tsaka yung diyas na pili ka rin.
Diba? Bibigyan kayo ng ID. Kasi roots mo na lang.
Pinakita ko yung pagkalalagay niya, sabi ko, diba, kung kami nung ano.
I'll reveal my age if I get 20K likes.
Apat nyo. O yun, oo. Dalawa. Huwag ka naman sabihin ko sa bakit dalawa to?
Okay.
Sabihin lang.
I'll reveal my family's name at 22K subscribers. So, hope you guys make that come true. But don't like that other one, that 10K. Reveal my age. Okay, let's jump in 3, 2, 1.
Dapat sinabi ko,
Aray ko.
sir, ano pa ba talaga ang kailangan? Hindi yung pagpunta namin dito. May kulang pa, may ganito pa.
Okay, that was pretty unnecessary. That's literally my clay. And 3, 2, 1. Ow, my shoulders. Look at that, brother.
Sabi ni Ronnie, Ma'am, pwede ba ako na balik dito yung may nanay? Kailangan magkano kang
Okay, sorry guys, I fell asleep. Look how messy my hair is. Okay, let's jump again in 3, 2, 1. Don't mind my teeth. This is my 2 teeth on the bottom is gonna get removed. Also like this, this, and this. That's both is gonna removed. Gonna be removed 2 months. In 2 months, yeah, 2 months. Still hard. Okay, let's jump again. 3, 2, 1. I'm still alive. Okay, let's get up. Hey, let's jump again. But you guys can count. I'm waiting. Did you guys said 1, 2, 3 in the comments? Okay, let's jump. Let's go. Okay, that was let's jump again. Okay, let's jump. Before we jump, guys, I just want to say I hope I really become famous in the future. So please like and subscribe, share this with your friends, comment. Okay, let's jump now. Ow! My phone! Sorry about that, guys. Let me just finish my... Okay, guys, we got up. Sorry about the pause earlier when I got up. So let's jump again. I like jumping. Let's just show you this. Satisfying. Look at that, brother. Look at that. Look at that. Let's jump. Whee! My arm. If you wanna add me at Roblox, my name is KyangCutie3. And if you wanna add my brother in his account is YDream31. Don't tell them I exposed his account. His password is Abrella12345678910. That's his password. Good, let's just jump. Okay, let's jump. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's show you guys my the house. Family house. Yan, let's go show you guys. But first, we gotta get outside. Nag-aano ng YouTube video. Huwag mo i-post yung mga video ko ha. Hindi na naman. Huwag mo i-post yung video ko. So this is the outside. This is our house. La! Hindi. Onti lang. Hindi ako marunong mag-English. Onti lang. Okay. That. So let's just get. Never mind! Try ko. Okay guys, I just showed you my house. Let's jump! Again! I like jumping. 3, 2, 1!
Kaya na yan. Kangin Mayo.
Pero kung direct tayo,
I apologize. My hair is messy. Messy. Let's jump again. 3, 2, 1. A messy jump. Aray ko. Himpa ako. Look at that, brother. Look at that. My leg is injured. But I won't keep stopping. This is all for my viewers, guys. I only had 3 subscribers and I wanna get it up. So hope you guys make me famous. Let's just go. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
ikaw pupuntahan ka ba ng pagkakulit ako kayo? Makasakali na reply na. Nag-email na. Huwag kang may ID na.
Okay, guys. I'm getting up. Let's jump again. Wait. My head is really getting injured. I won't stop. Just keep jumping for all you guys.
Yung parang sabay-balik na naman. Balik kami sa
Let's just jump. Okay. Sorry if I post that. That was an accident. So I just gotta end this. I won't be posting for 8 days. Bye guys.
hapon.